Hi, welcome to the introduction to UniSEMS simulation package developed by Pramanch Technologies. UniSEMS is an acronym for Unified Simulation Executive and Modeling System. UniSEMS is a suite of packages for real-time simulation of any industrial plant such as process plants or power plants or manufacturing plants. UniSEMS comprises the following tools. Tools marked with the star are still work under progress. 1. UniDB is a simulation tag database tool. 2. UniPrep is a preprocessor tool for linking the tag references used in the modeling software with the tag database. 3. UniSim is the runtime system for controlling simulation execution such as run or freeze simulation, save or restore initial conditions, initialize tag values, introduce malfunctions to create emergencies in the simulator, instructor control parameters, etc. 4. UniBuild is a model building tool to graphically build the logic and control and process models. UniBuild generates code for the model from graphical models from a library of logic and controls and process models. This tool is currently under development. UniSEMS uses a mixed mode programming approach for simulation using Java and GNU Fortran. Java is used for UI and communication purposes, and GNU Fortran is used for mathematical models as its native language and is best suited for solving mathematical equations and is widely used programming language in the scientific communities. Let us see individual tools that comprise UniSEMS. UniDB. UniDB is a tag database tool for storing simulation variables. There are three categories of tags in simulation. 1. Constants which define the properties of the simulated plant. 2. State variables which uniquely define the state of the system. And 3. Debug or monitored variables. These are stored in three different segments of 4 megabytes of address space each in the UniDB. The address space can be changed. User can define partitions and subpartitions in these segments to structure the address space based on plant systems and subsystems. Partitions can contain individual tags. Tags are of primitive data types such as float, integer, logical, and complex numbers. Tags can be arrays of maximum 2 dimensions. Partitions and tags can be added, deleted interactively in the database or can be imported from a text file. The schema or structure of the tag database is fixed and cannot be changed by the user. They can only change the contents of the database, that is partitions and tags. Currently, UniDB is a console-based application executed from command prompt for simplicity and efficiency. But future versions of UniDB will have a GUI showing the tag database as a tree structure for the user to add, delete, edit tags. The next tool is UniPrep, which is a preprocessor tool for the plant modeling software written in Fortran. The simulator is made up of large number of such mathematical models for process logic and control system to simulate the entire plant dynamic behavior and its control logic. The preprocessor resolves the tag references used in the individual models so that these models can communicate with each other in an integrated manner when compiled and linked together to represent dynamic plant behavior. Next tool is UniSim, which is the runtime executive for the simulator. Currently, it is also a console-based application and the simulation is controlled through a command line interface to keep the overheads low. However, the future version of Unisim will provide a GUI-based instructor interface to control the simulation. Typical control actions that can be performed from this tool are run freeze the simulation, save restore an initial condition of the plant, introduce a malfunction or emergency in the simulated plant, initialize external parameters such as tank levels, ambient temperatures, etc. Switch on, switch off communication with ignition gateway server, and much more. Next tool is UniBuild, which is a graphical tool for building the plant process, logic, and control models by dragging and dropping components on the screen from a library of process, logic, and control components and connecting them together interactively. Once the configuration is complete, UniBuild does a syntax check and generates the Fortran code for the model and the required database of simulation constants and variables. This tool is still under development at the moment. In absence of UniBuild, models have to be hand-coded in Fortran language and tags have to be defined and entered in the database manually. However, the library of components is at the heart of this tool, such as flow network solvers for the compressible and non-compressible fluids, the steam tables, the pump and valve characteristic models, the PID controllers, timers, logic gates, flip-flops, etc., which remains the same. These can be customized or user-defined to meet the plant-specific or PLC or a controller-specific blocks. Please view the Unisim's demo video to see a simple example of simulation done using Unisim's and Ignition SCADA system to provide the front end. Thanks for watching.